Welcome to Group 4 Networks, your trusted managed IT security services in Toronto. In this video, we will talk about manufacturing IT systems support. How IT support keeps manufacturing running smoothly. With the right IT partner, you can keep production running smoothly with 24/7 monitoring, protect sensitive data and prevent cyber attacks, integrate new technology with legacy systems, reduce costs by preventing expensive IT failures. If you're still relying on reactive IT fixes, it's time to make the switch to a proactive IT strategy that keeps your manufacturing operations running efficiently. Investing in the right IT support today will save your business time, money, and headaches in the long run. Don't wait until an attack happens. Proactively protect your business today with a managed IT provider that specializes in ransomware defense. Want to know more about how managed IT can keep your business secure? Let's chat. We're here for you. With Group 4 Networks as your partner, you can be reassured that you're in the best hands.